Welcome to Objects Unlimited.
Thank you. We're going to ask you a few questions.
Bring it on.
So what services do you provide here?
Well, Objects Unlimited provides 3D printing and 3D scanning services. We also sell equipment.
And who are these services for?
We have a huge range of customers, mechanical parts, medical, industrial design, props, marketing companies, anything you can imagine.
And why would you say this is the best solution for them?
The best solution depends on what you're trying to make, but in certain cases, 3D printing is a great way to make things quickly.
What's the background? How did you find this was the right answer for people?
When I came across 3D printing, honestly, was the flexibility of things that you can make at a low cost in a fast time that really attracted me to the industry. And boy, we can do things today that we could never do in the past. Crazy.
What are some of the old and new ways of solving the problem?
Well, 3D printing's evolved a lot. Technologies have changed. For example, this part here is made in full color plastic using a jetting process, something we couldn't have done 5 to 7 years ago.
And the older alternatives to this would be?
The old alternatives were mold making, carving, traditional manufacturing methods, which are great for long run production, but very inefficient and challenging for one-off parts.
What are the typical outcomes of using our services?
Typical outcome is a happy customer that gets a product that they need quickly and cost effectively. That's what we're looking for. Either it works, or it looks right, or it suits the purpose that our customer has for us.
And what does that process look like?
It all starts with a 3D file. So an idea turns into a design, turns into a 3D file, which then we can use to produce these things. So it's often a collaborative process from start to finish.
And what's the best way for someone to start working with you?
The best thing to do is give us a call, talk to us about your product, tell us what you need, tell us what you're thinking, and that's where we go from there.
What makes Objects special?
Where Objects really excels is the intersection of engineering and art. We understand digital design, we understand color, and we understand organic shapes, but we also understand engineering principles and mechanical properties. Having the combination of skill sets that we have and the machines that we have is what makes us truly unique.